Tag posted GL transactions, a feature of TaiRox Productivity Tools Enterprise Edition, lets you cost and categorize posted GL transactions using a Sage 300 optional field. This feature adds simple costing capabilities if the project and job costing module is too complicated for your needs. Tag posted GL transactions lets you quickly select posted transactions and edit tags on screen, export tagged transaction information to Excel for reporting and analysis, and maintain tags with backups because tags are stored as Sage 300 optional fields. Let's have a look at the program. You can select posted transactions by specifying ranges for up to 7 transaction fields, including the account number, fiscal year and period, source currency code, source ledger, and batch and journal entry numbers. You can also select transactions with all tag values or with specific tag values. You can also use additional criteria for selecting transactions. For example, if you only want to see transactions that are over a set amount. When I click the Load button, the program displays information for all matching posted GL transactions in the results grid. The load time depends on the size of your general ledger and the number of transaction details you are loading. In our case, the load is pretty quick. You can widen the program window to display more fields, and you can also hide fields and move fields to make tag editing easier. Highlight a transaction and click the batch number or journal entry number to drill down to the transaction details. Double-click a transaction tag to select or edit the tag for the transaction. In our case, we've defined a list of valid optional field values for categorizing expenses. Click the Export button to export the current transaction information to an Excel spreadsheet for reporting and analysis. Then specify the file name and location for the Excel file. That completes a quick look at Tag Posted GL Transactions, an Enterprise Edition productivity tool for Sage 300. Please visit the TaiRox website for more detailed information about productivity tools and other TaiRox products.